Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's practice some of the examples with http bin.org. So go to Google and type http bin.org. Okay, select these HTTP methods. See, there are 5 HTTP methods like delete, like for removing the source, get to get the data, patch is if you want to partially update something, then post is something creating some new source on the site, and then put. Put is like you want to edit something, right? So let's first of all go with get. Like get, I think we have already tried. Let's go with post and then put and delete. So click on try it out. You will see execute, click on execute. Okay, so here we have the URL. Let's first of all initialize the URL as we do it always. Here, see, content type is application JSON, let it be the same. And okay, then the response code is 200. We will let it be same, and method type is post. So method type is post. So this is the same thing like we did in our last example. So I'm not editing something up to here. So I am getting response.json, the same response. And then let's see what is coming in the response. I am printing the response over here. Let's move this line. Same thing, everything is remaining same. Let me run it. If you see, it's 200, and this is the response I am getting. So further from this response I can print anything. Suppose I want to print headers, then I will just in the square bracket write headers. That's it. It will print me headers, and inside headers if I want to print something like I want to print the host, then inside host, like create one square bracket like this should work right now. Let me run it. To print this host value, which is http bin.org. So this is like post method. Let's try put method, and here is our put method. Click on same, try it out. Content type application JSON, status code is going to be 200, and see what's the URL. Our URL, it's simple. Okay. Header post is going to remain the same, and we can send our headers is equals to header. Header is not mandatory here. If you want to send it, that's okay. If you even if you don't want to send it, that's all. Status code is going to be 200, same thing. And then I need like same response headers. This time let's fetch this headers dot priority, or origin. Let me fetch this origin inside. Assert code is okay. I think we haven't changed the method type. It's going to be put. That's why it's throwing error. Yeah, this time it's fine, 200. But if you see, we are getting some error over here. It's saying that this path is not existing. Headers then origin. Okay, so first of all let me print this JSON object only, then we will see what we need to do after that. Okay, I'm just printing up to here. See, if I'm printing up to here, then under headers we have content length, then user agent. Okay, so instead of that, uh, like whatever the response body they have mentioned, origin, I don't think so origin is existing here. I'm not able to find it. Okay, here we have origin, but it's not inside headers, right? It's outside headers. If you see, this is the origin. This one is not existing here. I can't find it inside this thing. Yeah, I think there is a change. So I can simply go and print this origin, right? See, it's working fine. It's able to print this. Or if I want to print something from headers, like let me go to headers. inside headers, let's try to print this user agent, right? We can print this thing just for practice. Able to print this thing, right? So same thing. And let's try one delete call as well. I think that's also pending. Where is delete? Same thing. Nothing like, I think that is going to change. It's really simple. You can try this example. It's really easy. Put delete in the URL, and then again this call type is going to be delete. The things are going to remain the same. I'm not going to change anything. Let's see. Yeah, same thing is working fine, right? So we have tried get, post, put, delete, and this is a really simple API. Like there are some complex APIs we will be trying after this. Like we will go with GitHub, and but before trying that, there are some things that we need to try, like how we can send the authentication, right? That okay, that we can cover in Git, but sending some attachments, and some of the few more things are there, like trying the parameters that we will be trying in our upcoming lectures. Yeah, thank you.